Hey everyone, today I'm flying the DJI Mini 4K. It weighs under 249 grams, shoots in 4K UHD, and comes with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. If you're a beginner or just want a reliable drone for everyday flying, this one is definitely worth a look. Let's take it outside and see how it performs. I'm taking off now, and right away you can see how smooth the liftoff is. The controls feel very responsive, and the drone holds its position really well. For a lightweight drone, it feels stable and confidence-inspiring. I'm recording in 4K right now. The footage looks sharp, colors are clean, and motion feels very natural. Whether you're capturing landscapes, travel shots, or casual videos, the image quality is impressive for a drone in this class. There's a bit of wind out here, but the drone stays steady. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, camera shake is minimal, and the video stays smooth even while moving. That makes a big difference for outdoor filming. This drone supports up to 10 kilometers of video transmission. Even at longer distances, the signal stays strong and reliable. The controller feels precise, and directional movements are easy to manage. Now I'm activating the auto return feature. If the battery gets low or the signal drops, the drone automatically flies back to its takeoff point. It's a great safety feature, especially for new pilots. With up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery, you get plenty of time to capture the shots you want. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K is lightweight, powerful, and easy to fly. If you're looking for a compact drone with solid performance and 4K video, this one is a very strong option. One of the biggest advantages of the DJI Mini 4K is how easy it is to travel with. Because it weighs under 249 grams, you don't need special registration in many places, and it fits easily into a small backpack. That makes it a great option for road trips, vacations, and outdoor adventures. Another benefit is how beginner-friendly this drone is. The controls are simple, the app is easy to understand, and features like GPS positioning help the drone stay stable in the air. Even if it's your first time flying a drone, you can feel comfortable and in control within minutes. The DJI Mini 4K is also very quiet compared to larger drones. That's useful when flying in parks, neighborhoods, or scenic areas where you don't want to draw too much attention. It helps you focus on getting the shot without disturbing people around you. Battery efficiency is another strong point. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, you can plan your shots calmly instead of rushing. You get more chances to frame your footage, adjust angles, and capture smooth movement. The DJI app adds a lot of value as well. It includes intelligent flight features, clear live view, and easy access to your footage. You can quickly review clips, share content, or prepare videos for social media right from your phone. So overall, the DJI Mini 4K delivers smooth 4K video, stable flight, and easy control in a lightweight design. If you want a reliable, beginner-friendly drone that performs well without the hassle, this is a smart choice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more real and honest reviews. Thanks for watching.